Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, King R9. Uy, ginagawa mo dyan? Still King R9. I'm here in Anulaw. Hugot lines naman tayo for today's video. Tahan tayo may interview. Alright. Hi. Hi. Ito. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hello po sa inyo.
Hello
Hi.
po.
Hi Miss. Hi. Hello. Hi vlogger King R9. Hi. What's your name?
Yes po.
Hi Jess. Hi.
Hello.
Anong ginagawa niyo dito?
Bali, nag-swimming kami with my family. Bakasyon na rin po.
Talaga. Okay. Swimming kayo. Dagat ka ba? Dagat ka ba?
Bakit po?
Kasi palalim ng palalim ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo. Alright. Okay, thank you for being smart. Thank you for your time. Shout out ka. Friends, families, shout out.
Ayun.
May
Binabati ko po yung parents ko na sa bahay ngayon. Hindi po sila sumama kasi since wala silang tutulugan dito, kaya kami na lang muna magpipinsan.
Okay. Thank you. Enjoy kayo.
Sige po.
Thank you. Bye. See you guys in my next vlog. Bye. Good morning, Anulaw. Welcome back to my channel, King R9. Black Saturday, April 19, 2025. Hugot lines naman tayo for today's video. Hanap tayo na may interview. Ito. Hi Miss. Hi, hello. Hi vlogger King R9. What's your name?
Kim.
Hi Kim. Hi.
Hi.
Anong favorite pet mo?
Aso.
Aso? Dog lover ka pala. Aso ka ba?
Bakit?
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
Aso ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi when I saw you, I saw my happiness. Thank you. Guys, enjoy your vacation. Okay? Thank you for being sport. Thank you for your time. Alright, bye. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here in Anulaw, Black Saturday. Hugot lines naman tayo for today's video. Hanap tayo na may interview. Hi Miss. Hi, hello. What's your name?
Hello po.
Hi Lala. Hi. Anong iniiyaw mo?
Chicken po.
Chicken. Manok ka ba?
Bakit?
Manok ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi ang ganda-ganda mo eh.
Asan po ang chicken daw?
Chicken mo pa sa puso ko. Shoutout ka.
Shoutout po sa maming family.
Thank you. God bless you. Enjoy your vacation. Thank you. Alright. Welcome. See you in my next vlog. Bye.